Greetings, Galactic Earth Angelics of the 144. I'm Paul White Gold Eagle with PrimeDisclosure.com. Today, on the eve of the Solstice, we had a powerful activation on Pachamama with a 6.4 magnitude earthquake in Northern California, Ferndale in Humboldt County. This was at 10:34 UTC. There has been 99 powerful earthquakes in this portal in the last 24 hours. Powerful energetics flowing into the field from the great central sun through this most powerful solstice activation portal. Have a most beautiful and blessed day. Namaste.